Morning, Barbara. This is Al here, and I'm going to show you how to do a little flip video edit. So, first thing you do is you go over here to your flip video icon, click it. Your flip software will come up. You select a video, let's say this one, and then you go right here to the little bitty scissor icon. You click that. You'll get this screen. Now this screen has these little, I'm going to say these little slider buttons here, and you can slide to wherever you want to edit. You can edit the back and the front. So for example, let's say you only wanted this little piece. You can adjust your sliders, however you want it, and then you can see what you have. Okay, and let's say that's a little too much. You can click here, little teeny tweaks. Right? You can adjust. You can adjust either way. Like you want to open it up a little bit, you can move it, or you can move it like this. So those are how you adjust it. Then when you get the segment that you want, you press Save As, and you should label it, because if you have several pieces of that particular video you want to know what sequence. So you're going to say, let's say Beach 1, and then you save it, and then it gives you Beach 1. Somewhere you'll see that, like right here, it's Beach 1. Okay, let's say you want a different segment of that, so you can move this to, let's go, move. No, it's too small. Let's say you now want a different segment of that same video, and you want to eliminate a part, or you want a particular segment. So you go move that a little bit, and you want that segment. Okay, you test it out, make sure it's the right part. Okay, good, and then you say Save As, and you go Beach 2, okay, and you save it. Then close that window. Then you go to Movie, click Movie, and you should get Beach 1, and you drag it. Take Beach 1 and you drag it in. Okay, and if you don't want to use this particular one, you get rid of it. And then you drag Beach 2. And then you have the two segments, or any other number of segments. You can take a different movie and splice it in if you want. From any other part, you can take another. I could take a whole nother section and splice it in here, and a whole nother section over here and splice it in here if I want. Right? Then you go for movie, full-length movie. And then you can change your title credits. You can say B's movie, right? And you can include credits, but I would say no credits. Then flip share credit, take it out, so you don't want that. Actually, no, let's say include credits. Let's say so say Southern France by B, that's the name of it. It's going to show up at the end. So then you go to next, and if you want music, you can have music. Depends on what music you want. You can test it out. Let's say, okay, so you put some music in there. You can test it, see. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can see it moving, and that's the movie you just created. That's a preview with music. I don't think you can hear it through these because I have the headphones on. But there you go. And it spliced together everything. And then it gets to the end. So then if you like that, let's say you don't like that music, you can change the music. Let's go to 6-string ramble. And you go back and let's test it again. different music. Okay, so then if you like it, press next. And it says create the movie. So then you create the movie. And down here you'll see the movie being created. And I think if you look up here, it will dump itself into that file or that area. Let's see what happens. It's creating the movie now. So now we have a movie, and you see it dumped itself into your movies. Right? Now let's see if I have it here. It may be also in here. Yeah, Bees Movie. There it is. So there you go. So you can highlight it, make it one screen. You have Bees Movie, complete with music. So you can hear the music. Anyway, so there you go. So there you go. Then what do you do? So let's say you want to share it. You want to put it on YouTube. So you go down here, click. Now I've always had trouble doing this, so I did it a different way, but you can do it like so. You probably have to set this up in your computer and system. Click YouTube, you go to next. You put your username. And then you go. This never worked for me, so let's see if it works now. So I log in, I put my password in. See, it says login failed. So you set that up so you don't have that problem, and then you will load it onto YouTube. And I'm going to show you how I do it because I never can do this right. So I go to, and I say export. I go to file and I say export to. So you'll read the little thing there. It creates an exact full quality duplicate of all the selected items onto your computer. So I export it. And I choose where I want it to go, which is my desktop, as you see. And it then goes and it says items saved to library right there. And it should be on my desktop. Now let's see. Where is it? There it is. Bees Movie right there. So I then go to YouTube. I get Flip out of the way. I then go to YouTube. Let's say boom. And let's go to YouTube. Bingo. I then go to my YouTube channel, like so. Then I go to upload. And it says upload a video. So I go, push it, and I go to Bees Movie. And I go boom. Right there. Open. And it uploads. So I'm not going to wait for that to do it, but there you then have it on YouTube. Now, there may be another step. I'm going to send this to you, and there may be another step of then how to get it from YouTube onto your page, your Facebook page. Okay? So I'm going to leave this here. Actually, I'm going to cancel it because I don't want that particular movie particularly. And then I will send you this little film. Okay? So I'm going to end off here. Bye-bye.